Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your auto rear wiper in reverse feature in the 2022 Kia Carnival. I have in front of me here an SX 3.5 liter in Thunder Gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we're going to head to the 12.3 inch infotainment screen. We're going to either hit the setup button underneath the vents here to the right, or from the home screen we can swipe to the left and hit setup in the bottom right corner. Then we're going to go into vehicle, and then scroll on the left to convenience, and you're going to see auto rear wiper in reverse there. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on. So now if I were to turn on the front wipers and put them on the low setting, right now the rear wiper is not moving and the arm is in the off position. But if you were to use the front wipers, if it was raining and you went to go put the vehicle in reverse but forgot to put the rear wiper on, then the car will just go ahead and start moving the rear wiper for you while you're in the reverse gear. So if I were to go back into park or even into drive, you'll see the rear wiper is just going to stop moving. And if you didn't want it to do that, then you just go ahead and make sure that this is unchecked. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button if you like this video, and please go ahead and subscribe and select the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Please also go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.